It's on.
Shit, you should have seen the other video. That was awesome. But anyways, we're gonna have to try to do like a selfie video because it's like that was hilarious. But I'm not even sure what to do there. She shoved her hand right in my face. So, Peace in, do you want to say anything?
Do you like my hair? I kind of like it today. It's kind of messy, like a messy bun, but on top of my head without the bun.
Okay, let's do votes now, okay? We're gonna do votes on who likes my hat.
Fish now work leader.
Okay, let's see which one wins.
What?
Well, you gotta fish now and work later.
Yeah, I know my hair looks sucky. He's gonna win.
You might win. Come on, give her encouragement. Let her win, please. I want her to win.
Even if it's just one person. I'll be satisfied with your answer. Even if it's just 10 people.
Okay, we're gonna end this one now. Because we screwed up the first introduction, and this is another introduction I think was actually kind of cool. But let's stop while we're ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. Say bye.
Oh, bye from
Peace, Annie.
Ed Wolfpack.